Wow, who is this handsome man? Meet John, a simple man who loves driving cars and would never take a bus ride to his job.
Despite having a steady job and a good life, John has always thought that there is something missing. He wants to take measures to combat climate change, but he neither has the time nor the resources to do so.
So one day, John finds about EcoFilter, a youth-led startup company aiming to combat climate change by installing carbon filters in fuel-driven vehicles. So you must be wondering, what do these carbon filters exactly do? These carbon filters trap all the harmful gases which were previously being released into the environment and thus reduces carbon footprints all across the world. But EcoFilter doesn't let the collected carbon go to waste. We will then upscale this collected carbon into sustainable carbon negative products such as black inks, paints, plastic, and etc.
The ecosystem of EcoFilter consists of three aspects: logistics, suppliers, and companies. We plan to buy all of the carbon filters in bulk from the suppliers, say starting off with 100. We will resell them on our website as bundles at a slightly lower price, providing an incentive for people. We will partner up with the car mechanics logistical company so that the carbon filter installation and attraction can be done easily by them. Then, we will send the collected carbon filters to carbon utilization labs and companies so that they can use it to make their products like biofilters, bioplastics, etc. We plan to compensate the selling of filters at a lower price by getting a 10% commission from the products created by carbon received from EcoFilter. Here is a draft of our financials. We'll give you a minute to review it.
Through his experience with EcoFilter, John is excited to find that such an ordinary car driver like himself can actually do something to help cultivate a greener world. But can you imagine? There are more than 150 million Johns in India and 1.4 billion Johns in the whole world. Don't panic, EcoFilter is always here for you. Through our website, carbon filter factories are connecting more closely to a larger customer base, communication is made far more easy than before, and the collected carbon elements are directly turned into ink for art. EcoFilter reduces air pollutants globally, one car at a time. Mother Earth is going to get mean if you don't go green.